Okay, so in this one, what we did in class today is we're going nice and slowly, and the way that we've got it, this was first we started with the E chord, defining where the right hand fingers were living on the G and B strings, the pick on the low E, and then we said, what's the bass part? 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then I said, take just the first 2 beats if that's all you can do. So you're going 1, 2, 3, 4. Nice dead sound on the bottom. Then we said the second half of the measure involves us releasing the E chord, collapsing the third finger to bar the D, G, and B string, and leaving the second finger on the A string, but not pushing all the way. And then we play 3 and 4, 3 and 4, 3 and 4, 3. This way, what your goal is to be able to memorize this pattern, not have to look at the music, so that then you can stare a hole in this right hand and make sure that it's doing what you tell it to do. The whole bar is 1, 2, 3, and 4. The other thing that we did is just take away the right hand and work the left hand. Hammer, collapse. Hammer, collapse. Get real used to that. Put this in. You really got to divide and conquer here. And we were going really slow, like this slow. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. If you can tap your foot at the same time, that's sweet. And 3 should help to kind of steer the ship. And 2, and 3, and 4. When you go to the A chord, the pick is going to go up from the low E string to the A string. Fingers 2 and 3 are going to go to the B and E string. And you're going to finger this A in some multi-fingered way other than a bar. You want to go 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 3. I do 1, 2, 4. Probably most of you guys are doing 1, 2, 3. So in this one, pick part is easier. It's going 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And we actually, it's just like the E chord for the beginning. We have the bass, then we snap together, then 3 and 4, 1 and 2, 3 and 4. One thing that we said that kind of was cool that worked is say, right off the high E string and just play the same note on the top each time, going 1, 2, 3 and 4. Bass, together, bass, chord, bass, bass, together, bass, chord, bass. You get that so your right hand feels okay, and then add in the top note going 1, 2, release, and 4, 1 and 2, release, and 4. Once you get that so it's feeling okay, do the same thing with the second measure. Start off, I would say with this guy, you're probably better off starting, just leave the finger on the top the whole time, because 2 of the 3 are on, the only one that's off is in the middle. Now this guy goes together right from the down 1. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. There's one more group of eighth notes on 2 and 3. Together, bass, chord, bass, chord, bass. Together, bass, chord. Now when I get the releasing going, it sounds like this. Release, back on. Release. One more, and then. Now the goal is to play both measures, 3 and 4, going 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then together, bass, release, bass, on, 4. One more time. Then what you try to do is say, can I connect the E chord with the A? And what I would do for this is 4 times on the E, and then 2 times on the A. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Second time. Third time. Fourth time. Get ready to go to A. 2, 3, real drag there is not in the right hand, it's just in the left hand where you have to go 1, 2, lock in 3 and 4 as 2 and 1 move down to give us F sharp and A sharp. There's the A sharp. Now in the second measure, just play 1, 2, 3, 4. So the two bars together are 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. And then it's just a matter of adding that in with the E. I'll just do 2 of these. To the A, going A. Back to E. Here's your B. Remember, there's just pick. Move together. Just 1. Back to the E. And that should get you in good shape to be able to, it'll be hard, it's hard to get this guy going fast until it's memorized and you can really get a handle on that right hand. But none of the left hand stuff is that hard, which is great, okay? All right,